chapter, the 24 verses 1. 23 verses 1. The Lord is my shepherd. This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. திருக்குறள் திருக்குறள் அகரமுதல அம்மா
எழுத்தெல்லாம்
அம்மா பசங்க சொல்றா
திருக்குறள்
இங்க பாரு
திருக்குறள் அம்மா our father
இங்க வந்து இல்ல
our father what in heaven hallowed be the name thy kingdom come. There will be that on earth
State of
as it is now. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us and trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Bible reading. Reading from the Holy Bible. Book of Psalm chapter, the 24 verses 1.
23
verses 1. The Lord is my shepherd. This is the word of the thanks be to God. Treasure and closer. Amma,
திருக்குறள்
treasure and closer as Woman's prayer. Woman can defend Jesus. Brief of day. Before you take the image, we should show God's merciful love and unavoidable love. Let it thank our heart, find thankfully, soften our prayers, grant us the grace, for which we are ready for you.
திருக்குறள் சொல்லுவா